oxymoron, a figure of speech in which apparently contradictory terms appear in conjunction. Perfect example: qualified, unemployed. The recruitment market is like a jigsaw puzzle. Every piece has a perfect fit, but we can hardly solve it since everybody is trying to force pieces in the wrong slot. Companies are eager to find the perfect piece to fill their job vacancies, while the candidates are busy trying to fit into the wrong slots.
Coming from the other side of the table, we had first-hand experience of meeting one of the recruitment agency. No one wanted to know about the career goals of candidate or neither the business achievements of any of the companies.
NMD was formed to make a difference. We want to spend time understanding the needs of the role and mapping them with the career goals of the aspirant. Corporate organizations opened the gates to a new entrant with this approach. Our first customer was ICICI Prudential. But all was not handed on a platter.
Remember the first time interacting with one of the renowned HR of Calcutta, Mr. Sandeep Das in Philips, India. When I have approached him in the year 2011, he first of all was in a verge of denying the entrant of a newcomer. But when this symbiotic approach prompted him to start working from the very next vacancy.
After making the foothold in recruitment, we moved on to total payroll outsourcing and then graduated to corporate training. 15 years down the line, NMD has built one of the most successful companies offering solutions around human capital. We don't build contracts, we build a family. And that's how we have built bonds with the leading corporate houses in banking, insurance, telecom, consumer goods. That's how we keep dreaming and continue to walk tirelessly towards growing this family.
When we deal with sensitive human capital needs, it is always a treat to have a partner like NMD to fall back on.
And whatever our dynamic needs are, NMD is always has had a solution and it's ready, always ready to put in the extra effort to make us successful.
It has been an awesome journey of learning and growth. Looking forward, we want to break borders to start operations in neighbors like Bangladesh. We foresee maximum growth in corporate training, especially induction trainings.
It is just an organic supplement after our recruitment to onboarding process.
There are many who emphasize on the importance of human assets for any organization to be successful, but very few can draw up the right execution strategy. In NMD, we try.